KFC inspired chicken strips. You won't stop at one. Welcome to Tracy Creates Dishes. Slice and marinate chicken. I'm slicing 1 kilogram of chicken breast. You can use thigh if you prefer. Cut breast in half. Slice the chicken in strips. Place strips in a bowl ready to marinate. Add 2 cups of buttermilk to the bowl with the chicken strips. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Stir the buttermilk and the seasonings. Make sure to coat all of the chicken. Cover the chicken and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours. Prepare crispy coating. In a sieve, add 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin, 1½ teaspoons of ground coriander, 2 teaspoons of celery salt, 2 teaspoons of onion salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, ½ teaspoon of pepper, sift. Stir. After a minimum of 2 hours, remove the chicken from the fridge and coat each chicken strip with the flour and spice mixture. Comment below, what is your go-to takeaway food? Don't forget to subscribe and like. Heat oil to 175 degrees Celsius or 345 degrees Fahrenheit. Place coated chicken in deep frying oil. You will know if the oil is at a high enough temperature if the oil around the chicken bubbles. Chicken is cooked when the coating is crispy and a golden brown colour. Enjoy these amazing chicken strips with my creamy garlic sauce. I'll leave the link in the description box below.